My name is Lucy Mumo, and I'm here at the workshop to learn more about entrepreneurship, financial literacy, because I've been aspiring to be an entrepreneur in the near future. And my expectation is to have an incredible time around, learn more, and interact, network. And yeah, hope I'll have a nice time here, and I'll get out when I've learned more about entrepreneurship, financial literacy. Yes. For me, being here, the feeling being here is incredible. Yes, I've learned a lot on entrepreneurship because I'm aspiring to be one. I have also networked, which I love. Yeah, because I was given that those basics of being an entrepreneur or how to start. For so long, I've been wanting to be one, but I didn't have that, how do you call it? Is it a plan? Kind of like. Okay, my many questions have been answered here, and I think I'm good to go. I'm just looking forward to more workshops in Kenya, outside Kenya, and yeah, all over the world.